Here we have a Marklin coach pack. This one is number 43108 and it represents 3 coaches from the Ruhr Express Service. This item was new in around about 2003 and continued in the main catalogue to around about 2006, so only a 3-year run, and obviously it's more than 20 years old now. Inside we are expecting to see 3 coaches, 2 type C4I 33E, which is a third class compartment coach, and 1 type BC4I 33F, which is a second and third class compartment coach. And all of these are from Epoch 2 of the DRG. Let me get these out and I'll tell you a bit more. So this pack has come with a small instruction sheet, which is in a number of different languages. It looks as though we can fit an interior lighting kit, and it can be retrofitted with current conducting close couplers if you want. None of these coaches actually have pickup. There is an additional coach, it's number 43109, which I also have, which has a pickup on the third rail and also it has tail lights as well. But these coaches don't have pickup in their own right, and here inside you can see that it has some instructions about how to take the coaches apart if you need to. And here also where you can add in the little steps. And talking of steps, we have this bag full of little steps which we can add onto these models. These are factory sealed, so they haven't been put on by the previous owner obviously. And this is a second-hand set, but I'll tell you how much it cost at the end of the video. And here are the coaches, and they're in this great looking cream and maroon colour scheme. Now these coaches only wore this for a very short time. And they also match with the Rheingold service, which had the kind of purple and cream, but it wasn't long lived. These were actually repainted in the standard green quite quickly. So this is a very niche model in Era 2. But let's have a look at these coaches a bit closer up. So this is one of the third class compartment coaches. At this end we've got some ladders and kick down panel, which is separate parts that have been added on. You can see the black has been painted on here. It looks really good. We've got flush fit glazing, which is very clear as well. As we look down the side of these coaches, the finish is absolutely superb. All the details are up here on the end of the coach. We've got the Deutsche Reichsbahn logo there, and we have the third class with a little red panel and the handrail and door handle picked out in gold, which looks fantastic. The lining on this is really good as well, and the glazing is very clear. You can see inside that we have an interior which represents the compartments. As I move further down, there's some more printing, including this here for the destination board, the number of the carriages up above. It's all very clear. We've even got some printing down on the chassis as well. And as we continue along, it's super clear and very nicely defined. But just looking in the end of the carriage here, I'm not quite sure what that is meant to be inside there. It might just be a part of the plastic interior, which is for routing cables up to the lighting, which will go up onto the roof. This one actually hasn't been fitted with any lighting. You can see that here. It's just the plain underside of the roof. Nothing different on this end of the carriage. But talking about the roof, this finish is absolutely superb. It looks really glossy and very metallic, really nicely done. We've got the air vents moulded into the top panel as well. What I really like as well is the little indents here, which have been faithfully recreated into the moulding, which look really good. I think you can just see it there with the light catching it. It's got this little subtle ridge in the middle and these kind of curvy parts here, which comes down to the end of the carriage. Really looks really good. So looking down at the bogie, it's very detailed. I love how much attention to detail there's been put into that. The springs look great. The brakes as well are in line with the wheels, and the axle boxes and springs look great. The wheels are dulled metal and they revolve pretty good. We also have the couplings here in NEM pockets and they articulate. You can see the metal part there, which is used for carrying the current if we had those kind of couplings, but these are not them, they're just standard Marklin ones. In the middle of the carriage, it's a nice matte finish. We've got some bracing there and some brake gear. It's not super well defined, but it's not too bad. Got this box here as well. And you can see that we have some of these steps fitted already, and there's no difference with this bogie or the coupling at this end. So overall, it's a really nice looking coach with a really superb finish on it. So let's move on to the next one. So this is the other third class compartment carriage. It's actually no different whatsoever to the one we've just seen, apart from the running number. So let's move on to the final coach. Now this is different, and it's something I really liked about the DRG of this era, in that they painted this kind of section, which was second class, a different colour, and it's this lovely shade of turquoise blue. The third class is still the cream colour. The interior is actually different here. We've got seating with different little armrests on them in the second class area, And you can see that if I move to the third class, they don't have those armrests. So there is a difference with the interior in this as well as the decoration on the exterior. There's one less door on the second class carriage, and that's been faithfully reproduced here. So it's not the exact same moulding, but it's certainly very similar. And if we look up on the roof, it is actually exactly the same as the other carriages though. And that's the same for underneath, where we've got the exact same bogies and the same arrangement of underframe detail too. So overall, all three of these coaches look absolutely superb. I can't believe how good the finish looks on them. Anyway, let's put one of these onto the scales and we'll see how much it weighs. So this carriage comes in at 135 grams. So this carriage pack from Marklin of the Ruhr Express Service commuter carriages from Era 2 I think look really good. The finish on them is absolutely superb, the printing is spot on, and the masking between the colours is no problems whatsoever. I really like the shade of silver on the roof, well presented, really glossy. There's no moulding marks on them at all either, and you can enhance these with interior lighting and the current carrying couplings if you want. But that does mean that you have to buy the additional coach in order to have the pickup, and I actually think maybe we could have done away with one of the third class coaches in this pack and had the end coach as the additional one in here and have the third class coach as, you know, the add-on coach if you wanted it. So I think it's a bit mean of Marklin to not actually have that in the pack here when they produce this, but I can see why they've done it. It means that you're more than likely going to get that end coach so you can get the pickup and you can put lights into these. But that's a minor niggle. I think these coaches look really fantastic. In terms of second-hand value of these, they're actually still holding their value pretty well. You could pay up to £100 for this pack, especially in the condition of these coaches, which is, I would say, absolutely mint. You might be able to get them cheaper than that as a special offer, or if they're not in as good condition. So are they actually worth it for £30 a coach? I think probably yes when you compare it to other coaches, even ones that are produced today. I think these stack up against it. And they're an interesting prototype and the colour scheme is pretty cool as well. So it's definitely recommended from me, but what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know what you think of these coaches. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps this channel. I'll put one of these onto the turntable so you can see all the way around. And thanks once again for watching. It really encourages me to make more. So thanks for doing that, and I'll see you on the next one.
So model trains, model worlds, choo choo, model trains, tiny in tiny worlds, choo choo. So model trains, tiny model worlds, choo choo, model trains, tiny in tiny worlds, choo choo.